love Sweet Home Alabama. I love deers. I love NASCAR. I love Sheetses.
When I love deers so much, okay, that I mean most deers I ever got in 1 year was 76. You know what? 76 deer.
You know what? If you got 76 deer in 1 year, in the year of that 76, you know?
What are you talking about, man?
You know?
No, I don't. No.
Gosh dang it.